Welcome to the Dunes Estate Kingscliff, a very small boutique subdivision of just 49 lots, located just 600 metres from town and 200 metres to the beach. Here's the property at 31 Driftcourt, Kingscliff, that we currently have for sale, just 1 year old, and it's just like a new home. As we step through the front door, you proceed up the entrance way to the main living area, which is at the rear of the property. Beautiful kitchen with Caesar stone bench tops, island bench, butler's pantry, stainless steel appliances, and a smoked glass splashback. Off that is an informal living room. As you can see, there's ceiling fans in every room, also ducted air conditioning throughout. There's also a formal dining room which overlooks the central garden courtyard as well as the family room. Stepping outside, we've got an in-ground pool. It's a magnesium pool which is also solar heated, so you could easily swim 7 to 8 months of the year. Also a rear entertaining area with pulled down shade. Also a covered barbecue area. Also at the centre of the property is the main bedroom. It's also got a walk-in robe, an ensuite bathroom with large separate shower, and unusually a separate toilet. Laundry with access to the rear of the yard, also guest powder room. Going further down the hallway, we've got 2 other bedrooms. The second bedroom has a walk-in robe and access to the 2A bathroom, while there's also another bedroom. And just off the garage, currently there's a workshop, but that could be very easily converted to a 4th bedroom. And the garage also has an auto door with high clearance. Here's the property here, located in the sought after Dunes Estate, Kingscliff. No other blocks of land available here, and most properties are owner occupied. If you'd like more information on viewing this property, then please don't hesitate. Call selling salesperson Julian Cleek on 0400 617 494. Email him at julian@salesandrentals.com.au, or for more photos and information, visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au.